Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltufts.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Fall Day, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and then some stamps and dies maybe, but mostly embellishments from the collection for this page. So one page has just a full patterned background that I will cover up with the pattern. And I'm using the digital version, so I'm clipping the papers and make sure they are actually in 6x6 size, because that would fit just the scaling of my project here. And so I am using the paper size that would be the 6x6, and then I have all these embellishments that I have to spread around the pages. I don't want my pages to be too busy, so I do allow for some just white space, what we call white space. Obviously here it would be red space because my card base is red. So I have decided to go just with different colored cardstock, so that just to give this a little interest. And besides, the way that I'm putting this book together is where I just glue the pages back to back and put the binding in between. And so that's okay if they have different colors, because they can be one color on one double page spread and then they can be one color on another double page spread. So here I have a few more flowers that I die cut. I think they might be from Stamping Up, but I keep forgetting the names of all the collections that I have. And so might be pretty perennials, if I'm not mistaken. So here I'm just trying to arrange them and glue them down in the right order with this other sentiment strip there, or just word art piece that comes with the collection. And the nice thing with getting the digital version, I can print off everything in the size that will be in scale with a 6x6 project. Whereas if I would get the physical product, I would get just the full size pieces and wouldn't be able to resize them to fit my needs. And while they do carry 6x6 paper pads, then the embellishments are still going with the main size, which is 12x12. And as if you are someone who's been following me, you would know that I do like to scrap in smaller scales. So anyway, here I have all the flowers that go in the background layered up, and now then comes the sentiment, and then I can add the flowers that go on top, and I'm still trying to decide. And in real life, you can see the red on red of the flowers. There's the shading there. You can't maybe not be able to see it very well here on this video. So anyway, this is my 2-page spread done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.